my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. And now, my peeps, we're gonna make some sweet teriyaki salmon noodles stir fry. All right, so we're gonna make the salmon separate and we're gonna add it on top of the noodles. This one says 3-minute chow mein noodles. This one has no eggs. Okay, so I'm using half pack of this. Okay, and I went ahead and I cut up some vegetable. I have cabbage, carrots, bell peppers, onions, ginger, and green onion or scallion. All right, my seasoning over here, and I have my pot and my frying pan, and I put some extra virgin olive oil. All right, so first we're gonna do the fish. All right, so we're gonna put this aside for a little bit. This big cut of salmon, you know, the girl get it on sale. All right, so we're gonna lightly season the salmon while the pot is getting hot. Okay, first we're gonna put a little bit of salt. I'm gonna cut it after. I'm just gonna season it first, and so it's easier to cut after. I'm gonna pop on a little bit of black pepper, just a little bit, lightly seasoned. Okay guys, we're not gonna overdo it today. I have my Jamaican style fish seasoning. I'm gonna put a little bit, as I said, lightly. You don't have to overdo it. All right, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of paprika for color. All right, I think that's it. I'm just gonna put like a little bit of olive oil so I can rub it up, like just maybe 1/4 teaspoon. All right, so I'm gonna rub it all over it just like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. Let me turn it around so I can cut it. Just cut it in some like serving size. All right, I'm gonna place it this side down. You want to give it about 4 minutes to fry up on each side. Now we're gonna do the noodles. I'm gonna add like 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, and then we're gonna let this come to a boil. Now I'm gonna make the sauce to go over the salmon. We're gonna go in with about 2 tablespoons of teriyaki, this one. About 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then I have this sweet and sour sauce. I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup to, yeah, about 1/4 cup. I put a little bit of water because it's almost done. All right, give this a little stir. This is my blended seasoning. I will leave a link, and I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon, and that's it. All right guys, now we're gonna flip over our salmon. See that nice color? Ooh, that's what you want. Beautiful. All right. So another 3 to 4 minutes, and that's it. Look how they're pretty, guys. They're so pretty. All right, my peeps, my salmon, they are done. So I'm gonna drain off some of this excess oil. Okay, All right, my peeps, this is my sauce. I put like half teaspoon or a teaspoon, about half teaspoon of paprika as well. And look at the goodness. And now we're just gonna baste the fish. You see that pretty color? Wow. Beautiful. Alright guys, so just give this few minutes, and then you wanna, like, you know, after a few minutes you're just gonna pick it up and pour it over it like this. So another 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and it should be done. All right, now my peeps, my water is bubbling. I'm just gonna set my noodles in, and I'm just using half pack. All right, soon as the water starts to boil up, I'll just rotate them. All right guys, something like that. So just spin them around after they all gonna be soft. All right, so cook this to your liking. All right, I'm not gonna let mine be overcooked. All right. Oh my god, my kitchen smells so good. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. Turn the stove down, don't let it burn. You see the goodness here guys? Oh mamma mia. So just pour it over it like that. You see this? Alright guys, and it's all done now. Okay? I'm gonna turn this stove off. We're gonna set this aside. Guys, you see how pretty it is? Alright, so pretty. And that's my salmon for you guys. Alright, over here I have just a little bit of the same oil, about a tablespoon. Okay, we're gonna stir fry the vegetable while the noodles cooking. Alright guys, I don't want my noodle to be overcooked, so I'm gonna turn it off. So I give this about 7 minutes. Alright, have lots of vegetable and we're gonna stir fry. Okay, and I'm not using a lot of oil, so we're gonna go in with the onions, a little bit of ginger. We're gonna put some green onion. So now I'm gonna add everything else: carrots, bell pepper, cabbage. If you have pak choy, you can use some pak choy too. So just stir fry this a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit more of my blended seasoning, 2 teaspoons, sorry. A little bit of my garlic paste, about a tablespoon. We're gonna let this fry up for about say 2 to 3 minutes. All right, it smells so good. I have some leftover hummus. I had it in the freezer and I took it out. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons. I will leave a link for this one, okay guys? And I'm just gonna mix this in. This is gonna give it like a body and a flavor. Yeah. All right. A little bit of black pepper, and that's it. Put whatever you want in it. All right, guys. So just give this a little stir, and that's it. It's all done. We're gonna add the noodle, and we're gonna serve it up because we don't want it to be too soggy. Okay. This is my noodles. Ooh. break up my noodles in it, guys, and mix it up. This will mix it up better, guys. The spoon and do it no justice there. Okay. It smells so good with the hummus as the base. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so I finally mixed it up somewhat. We're gonna serve it up now, okay? Alright, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more green onion or scallion, and I'm gonna leave some for garnishing. And this is my stir-fry noodles, guys, and my salmon. I'm gonna serve up some. Alright guys, you see the goodness here? Alright, let's serve up some, okay? And we have our pasta bowl here. Woo, steam. All right, we're not gonna overdo it, okay? Don't overdo the bowl or the dish. All right guys, and we're gonna serve a piece of the salmon. Oh my goodness. One piece will do, guys, because you can serve it up for your whole family, okay? I'm gonna take a little bit of the sauce if we can find any. Nice, all right guys, over here, just drizzle it over it like that. I'm just gonna garnish with some green onion, and that's it, and a little bit of parsley on top, okay? And my peeps, this is it. This is what I'm serving up. Yeah. All right, a quick and easy meal idea. All right, see how my noodle them ready, guys. Salmon ready, up and stuck, restaurant style. All right guys, yes, yes. All right guys, you love upon me and I love upon you, okay? If you want hot sauce, just put some hot sauce and enjoy. I'm gonna taste it for you guys, you know that. Maybe I could get my son, I don't know. This is my stir-fry noodle with my teriyaki sweet and sour salmon recipe. You have a good day. Bye guys. My son is gonna taste it, guys. Show them the salmon now.
I thought I did, didn't I?
Well cooked. Okay. Crunchy.
But the salmon tastes really good. The noodles is alright though.
Noodles alright?
With some, oh yeah. I don't want y'all to think I'm using these are excuses to eat more, but
yeah, taste it. That's why this is a
after,
taste
you know?
test. Yeah.
No, it tastes good.
Is salmon kind of blending with it with the noodles?
Yeah. At first, I thought I wanted rice. I'm just trying to get some vegetables and stuff.
It's good. You take the plate. All right, guys. The boy gone with the plate. Bye, guys.